watching YouTube, watching Lockpicking Lawyer, I thought to myself, hey, I can do that too. When I needed a tutorial on how to pick, that's when I stopped and saw the big boy at Lock Noob. Got curious and got me a master lock number 2. Couldn't open for a while, so I threw it in the trash and goodbye. So I joined the LPU Discord, and that's when I met Trucker, Quinn, and Crew Mayhem. Teach me and show me how to do. And when I got my number 5, I picked and picked and picked all day. When I thought I couldn't do it, that's when I popped that sucker open on a Tuesday. Picked a number 3 and got my white belt rank. I may be stupid, I may be dumb, I may be playing with a metal file like a little child molesting master locks just to get the parts. Then I cooked 1100 on a camp stove, 'cause the Loctite wouldn't let me in. They told me, get a number 2 Phillips. I didn't listen, because I ain't a construction worker. Picked a quick set smart key the next day, got my orange belt. I know I can do it, I know I can do it. Locks on my life, got my American lock open, and got my green belt in 10 days. Now I'm working on getting my blue belt, but fuck that, I'ma work my way up to black belt. No matter the cost, I never give up, I never give up, I never give up, I never give up. Taking it one hit at a time, one look at a time, yeah. Never gonna stop, no matter what people tell me. If they don't like me, then fuck them.